Yeah, he might potentially. They did Foxmark last time, and they said they might switch it up.
Oh,
So we will see. Oh,
oh,
Falco. Okay, so the winning team is doing Mewtwo Falco.
oh, Ike Falcon. There you go.
Ike Falcon. Okay. Blue. Falco this. Okay, Larry's Ike. I just played his Ike. It's pretty solid.
Yo, stadium? Yo, green stadium? Stadium. Let's go. Good luck.
I don't know which color it is. I'll just.
Beat up the animal. Wait, they're both animals.
Alright, Red Team Gascat coming from the winner side of the bracket. They won the first set between these two teams. They're looking pretty good right out of the gate here too. Okay, although the winning team is looking oh, the side B ledge grab. That's crazy, I thought he was dead for
The
sure.
winning team has a huge lead.
They are winning. Oh, what? Yeah, we can do that.
Oh, man.
She is maybe... I will be back to comms momentarily.
No, it's good. It's good.
Box.
I won't pay.
Believe it.
You're holding it. James is like, no. We are doing this? Oh, wait, no, isn't done. I thought you were just like, I thought you were reading. Yeah, I thought you were reading. Okay, I agree. I should have been at 12:15. I don't know. Guys like you. Guys like you.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, double fox.
always wanted that. This is the lead.
Falco.
That's true. Man, subspace and
Oh my goodness.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, we can play.
And we back with commentary for Game Finals. Do y'all know what happened in the first game?
It's 2-1 Brandon and Drew.
Oh, okay.
Is this set one? I assume.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. The winning team up delayed with a lot of momentum because to before. Oh shit, they went Fox Marth. They definitely seem to be performing a lot better with this team. Dru and Brandon still staying on the same characters though. And it's even in stock counts as well. Even with the character swap, he's been looking pretty good. Oh yeah, this percent. And down smash gets him. Oh, crazy shine. James just barely loses that stock. And on his last one, Dru still has 3. He's managing to conserve his resources really well. Oh, the super save, that's crazy. Insane recoveries from Brandon right there. Cannot believe he did that. James also pretty good at recovering in his own right. And all of a sudden, it is last stock. Somehow, this game just took so many twists and turns. James able to get around the F smash. Oh, Larry makes it back to stage. Even nerf Fox OP to make that. Winning team combo really hard right now. Looking pretty impressive. Well, Gausscat still has his shot. That's crazy that F smash kills Brandon. And the upper off the top does it! Oh! Oh my god, and we have a game 5 in this first set. What a fucking comeback from Team Gausscat. That was incredible.
I think this is my set. I have to find out.
Okay, let's go.
They're running it back to Metal Cavern for this game 5. They were dead in the water period, and then just instantly just locked in and brought it back. Such a crazy swing. Oh, but the winning team is locked in, and they're winning. Oh, Brandon already in a really bad position, and he's dead off that. Oh, James gets stage spike. Protect it. Could have gotten cheese right there again. Didn't quite. Larry's still holding on to his first stock, same as Dru. Go high, never die. Does not for the ledge. Crazy combos. Dru throwing in so confused. Nice team combo. Brandon goes straight in. And hits Dru afterwards. And then dies. The sequence. I'm sorry. They told me to be normal on commentary. I'm not trying to slay, my bad. Throw throw after not quite connecting. It's crazy that Dru is still on his first stock. The tanking is crazy. They're playing some mind games out here. They're all playing mind games with each other. And the stock count is even. And Slime hurt in Dance Stream. Yard viewers. Even though it's looking like there was some pretty devastating sequences for their winning team, they... Oh, Larry SDs, that is tough. James looking to clean it up. Ken combo, even MP+. It's looking a lot more doable, but not as doable. They want me to hit it too reset. If there's any Marth I would trust, the 2v1 though. Definitely this one. Although taking down Dru and Brandon is a very tall order. You're just kind of going, and we got reset. And Gazcat throws the tournament with not playing the last set. They just decide it's over.
Yes. Good luck.
And we're running it back the same teams. Going to Pokemon Stadium. This is the true set of champions. Both of these teams are very warmed up. They're ready. Oh, Dru with a super clean edge guard though. Oh, James cleans that up though. Dru almost makes it back from that crazy grab combos going on right now. The Shieldbreaker doesn't quite hit his mark. Brandon's still living to 150. Still surviving. Crazy DI. And gets taken out at 173. You hate to see that. But that doesn't phase a player of his caliber. Larry almost killing with get up attack if it was anybody but Mewtwo. Alright, Larry loses his first dog spray. James throws away a second. Drew gets hit with a tipper, and so does Brandon. There's Martha's swing. Oh, very opportune counter here. Scary edge guard situation for Brandon, but he's got good angles and drift. Both of these teams looking really coordinated right now. But Gazcat definitely with the advantage on the resources. And Brandon restocks. Definitely an uphill battle here, but it's still very much doable. But they are the winning team after all. The team that wins.
Sorry.
Oh, this is a crazy combo. And now Dru has to make the best comeback of all time to win this. Yeah. Then we got a game to win for Gazcat here.
Yeah, get that shit out there.
Oh my god. I'm gonna draw real quick. You guys wait. Yeah.
Alright, intermission.
We got an intermission here.
Yo, can I hit the pen?
Not in the middle of the set.
Power
You're
down!
not in the middle of the set. I don't know with you. You have so much experience with inebriated melee. I think it's neutral, if anything.
No, I mean, but I do be both my decks. I know, right? Really.
You don't know how aftertaste of it. It's just so good.
Oh God.
Fox.
Who's the announcer for this game?
Fox.
I think.
Guy.
Yeah, I think it was just some guy.
Just some guy.
Did a pretty good job though.
There was one time where it was just some kid that made this happen. By the way. And I was really fun. But every time
Knuckles. Luigi. Mark.
Come on,
Luigi,
Drew.
Luigi.
I like whoever voice actor.
He's icing us out.
After a couple more minutes, this classifies as stalling
It's like
officially.
It's like the
Says the TO.
1 minute set.
Then he's like, oh, I'm just gonna like
True.
take a quick dip for 30 minutes. And I got like,
Maybe you just have to.
been there.
30 minutes.
That's
Dude, that's like a shirt off.
No, that is.
That's like your sweat.
Okay, he has returned, and we are back in it for the second game of the reset finals.
Metal Cavern and subs.
Okay, I don't care what you're doing. Wait, yeah, I like this.
We got the same team comp. We're going to Sky, same shirt.
We literally beat you on the screen. It was the first game last year. Like,
Got a very scrappy start already. A lot of damage getting racked up, but winning team coming out on top in the percent currently, but very early in the game. Gascat kind of making those rounds. And Salters guard from Larry does it. It's pretty precarious position for Larry, but James came in for the save and nearly kills Dru2 here. Takes backstage though. Very nice anti-air. Wait, this isn't Street Fighter. Gascat looking pretty good once again. Very nice. Dru dies to the air at 196, like the subreddit. And Brandon loses a new stock. There this is his first one. Up throw, is that going to be enough? Not quite. The stage is a little bit too big for that. And that'll do it. A solid stock lead here for Gascat, but they're very high percent. Dru going in with these aerials, definitely gaining some ground. James cashing on there with a low. And Tipper does it at 128, Brandon on his livestock. And all of a sudden, it was kind of a close game. Turned into a really good situation here for Gascat. Doesn't get the strong back here to kill. James goes into his second stock. Dru's still on his second. Throwing that arrow out with the PT. We got a restock. And that was going to be coming in. But, oh, Wood guarding is still nice. They kind of bring it back. They just need to clean up these stocks without losing a whole lot of percent. Oh, James interrupts the edge guard. Very smart. Oh, now the damage is getting piled on. Okay, they do manage to kill Larry. James still hanging on though. You're gonna couple pairs on, but not quite enough. The big question is, can it get the last KO? And when they did it, James on his last stock, so was everybody. But Brandon and Dru need to not get touched at all if they want a chance to win this. Oh, the F smash gets both of them. So crazy. And guys got up 2-0 in this grand finals. Looking really good. Yeah, it's a reset. Yeah. It was the first set was game 5.
You know, in fact, I would call it.
Who's coming from losers?
The winning team.
They came from losers?
Yeah.
What was the second one that you said?
It was 2. I think I already entered it. It was 2-0.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is grand finals?
Yeah, it is.
2-0.
Oh, no, I thought you were talking about winners finals.
No, I'm talking about.
Oh, it was game 5 in the first set of grand finals.
3-2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
We're on the battlefield here for this decisive game 3. It's a pretty good stage from Dru2. He's got a lot of teleport cancel stuff that he could do. Some illegal moves, you might say. Yeah, this cat really getting a lot of mileage out of this, though. Very solid in this stage. Oh, it's the Shine Bear with Larry loses the first stock of the game.
I think we're getting any grands on.
One team leading in stocks right now, despite Dru getting sent to the other side of the stage by his teammate.
It's not showing it in the bracket, but you can.
Dru goes for the deepest downer of his life, but picks up the back air. Very solid 2-stock lead here for the winning team. Looks like they might be able to push this a little bit further. Oh, it's crazy side B. Okay. You guys got on their last stocks for this game. And as is Brandon. Dru is still tanking with his other 2. But not like they're wizards. Packing on some good damage to James. They're both getting pretty close to kill percent if they can get an edge guard. Side B probably worth it. 90% is good at this point. And Becker does it. They just gotta clean up James's last stock here. And we got a game 4 on the hands.
Zach, ban that.
You said ban them?
Ban that shit.
Wait, ban what?
No, it's 2-1. Yeah, we're at 2-1. Look at them! Look, these guys all good! Get these guys out of here!
We got some grime going on out here, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, oh, it's already over.
GG's, man. What do you guys ban?
What do we ban? Oh, FD.
Like FD,
You will never ban it.
It's very surprising to wonder why they wouldn't want to go to FD versus James and Larry.
I know, but what if you trade?
Yeah, what if we tried to think? Think we tried to think.
That's a good question.
Yeah.
You know, middle cavern. Know these guys?
Metal Cavern though? Okay, but yeah, we banned FD and I banned, I guess, fucking Subspace. Yeah.
We're going to Yoshi's Island. Very volatile stage. Pretty much all these characters can kill at crazy early percents here. Brandon getting some damage racked up on him. Dru makes it back with a jar assist. Well, the winning team's kind of evening out though. Dru with the lowest percent in the game. And then Brandon gets taken out. The thrower isn't connecting it a bit. Counter doesn't go. Could possibly get this recovery. Great save by Larry. And it almost was able to get converted into the stock, but it's worth it to go for that. That counter does work out. Oh, crazy tipper. It's like the second of James's tippers that has killed both people. Larry loses his first stock. It's looking pretty solid for Jazzcat here. We just need to hold this position. And then $5 each will be all theirs. Very interesting gameplay going on here. He's taken out, and so does Dru. With the taunt, James feeling it. He's ready to close this out.
Yeah, someone told me. My island.
James is stop.
Wait, no! No! I don't want an island! I do not want an island!
Are you sure?
No!
We got some shenanigans.
Guys, we're not near a body of water, I promise.
Are you sure?
Oh, James says again. Uses last stock.
Oh, wait, what about the island board?
It'll be up to him to handle this 2v1.
The entire tournament is on you. There's 4 stocks.
Oh, no shot. Oh, he makes it back. Incredible. Great recovery.
That's actually my note. Oh my god, he's got
Fair off the top. That's crazy. Okay. This would be such an insane comeback if Brandon get this. They almost get this super combo. Go high, sometimes die. No way! No way! No fucking way! Wow, what a set. Incredible ending. Good stuff to Jazzcat for winning Project Plus levels.
Yeah,
Very, very good stuff.
Very well, very good.
And we are going to get this over to our best of 5 layout.
Yeah, we play.
Oh, it's singles.
Yeah. The farming of the century.
are the monsters up for grabs?
Yes,
Yes.
monsters and modellas are for everyone.
Dangerous combination.
That's for you.
Hey,
Just for you. Just for you. Yeah, I got sets for you.